Mystery reversed. Cause this April, we'll celebrate cuisine.
Diyan sa circle. Circle. Oh, this one. Santa. Saan yan nakalagay? Very good. Star. That's a star. This one. This one. Saan yan? Very good naman. Oh, this one ulit.
Here's one good reason to welcome
Where?
sweltering heat of summer. Yes,
Wow, very good. Oh, another one, baby. Oh,
taking it off.
another one. This one.
Move to and into your
Oh, saan yan?
What were you saying?
Ayaw? Ay, so dito yan. O, dali, ilagay mo na. Saan mo yan ilalagay? That's a circle. Oh, what's that? Saan mo ilalagay yan? Very good. Oh, this one. Saan yan? Very good naman. Ang galing-galing mo ata. Yan.
Your favorite flavors for only 10 pesos.
Wow, ang galing. Yan, saan yan? Ang galing mo talaga. Ah, sige, dali, ilagay mo. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo pa ilagay. Yan, very good. Yan, yan, sige. Yan, saan yan nilalagay? Saan yan? Oo, imposible. Meron yan. That's right. Sabi niya wala. Ang galing. Ang galing eh, no? Oh, saan yan? Wow! Ang galing. Ang galing.
Ayan.
Last one. Saan yung nakalagay? Wow. Ah! Ang galing-galing. Very good.
Very good.
Very good ah.
Very good.
Ano sasabihin? Oh, ulit.